Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Melanie and today I will be showing you how to do this look. I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette. This is what it's a little dirty. These are what the colors look like. And we're also going to be adding another color that's not in here, black. So this look is all about blending. Blending. Lastly, I'm only going to be going over how to do the eyeshadow. I'm not going to do everything else just to avoid the length of this video. If you guys do want an eyebrow tutorial of how I do my brows and like a full face, I can do that. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it helps. I really want you guys to understand it. And it's my first video, so I might forget to say some things. Yeah, if you have any questions, just ask me or leave a comment. Anyway, on to the tutorial. To start off, I'm going to use this little fluffy brush. Can y'all see this? Okay, there we go. Called a tapered blending brush. I'm gonna take Realger, this color right here, and I'm gonna start applying it like above the crease.
Craving, some might feel tight, let a nigga craving all night. That's like.
So when you apply your eyeshadow, try to, so you're gonna come like an arch. That's what it's gonna do. You're not gonna follow like your brow bone or your eyebrow shape. So yeah, you're gonna just do like an arch, just like that. Now I know I said that we're gonna go above the crease, but if you get a little bit in the crease, that's okay because we're gonna use a darker color in the crease. We're gonna take that same brush that we just used and we're gonna grab a love letter. It's gonna be this one right here. And you're gonna go like pretty much right over what we just did to kind of make the color stand out a little bit more. Actually, I'm gonna get a smaller one. Next, I'm going to get a crease brush. You're gonna use Cypress Umber. This one. It's like a deep brown. And then that's gonna go on your crease and below. And so lastly, it's literally like 4 colors. I'm gonna take this brush, it's called Small Shimmer Brush. Okay, so we're gonna take the black. Don't be scared of the black, please. We're only gonna put it on, like, you see the little space that I have? Literally, that's where it's going. And we're just gonna pat the black on there. And then we're gonna swipe a little, just to blend it. I have this smudge brush. It's really tiny. What it looks like. For this one, I'm not gonna do too much of like all the other colors. I'm just gonna use 2 colors because there's not that much space anyway. I'm gonna use the Love Letter color again. And I'm just gonna go right underneath my lash line. And then I'm gonna also connect like what I did here when I stopped. I'm gonna connect it for my underneath so it all looks like unison. Then I'm gonna use the same brush, whatever, even if there's a little bit of pink in it. I'm just gonna get the black. And then we're gonna do it pretty much on your lash line. So I don't like to go too far down because then, I don't know, I feel like you end up looking like a raccoon. And then you have to connect the black on the outer corner. And then I'm just gonna blend where I see like harsh lines, where it doesn't look very smooth. I like to add shimmer or highlight for this one, I'm going to use my Aurora Anastasia palette. I'm gonna use Lyra, this one. And for that, I'm going to use this MAC 219 SE brush. Oh crap, I forgot to spray it. So I like to spray when it comes to the inner corner highlight, because it tends to like fall off. So you are going to add it right here. Okay, now it needs a little more. And then add some shimmer on my brow bone, like right above it. I'm gonna just grab a random brush and then like blend. Or you can use your finger. Yeah, your finger works better. So my favorite part, I love Falsies. I'm gonna be using Ardell Professional 3D Fox Mink. And this is what they look like. Listen, you guys need to stop being afraid of trying like dramatic eyelashes, because I swear it's like what makes your eyeshadow look bomb too. Like even more bomb. It's like the cherry on top. Oh, I lost my tweezers. Now I have to get a new one. Actually, before I put on my falsies, let me just do my other eye.
All night, that's right, falling on a daily. Off white, fit, nice, Balenciaga, baby. That's fat, real snack, got that nigga craving. Yeah, I've been on a jet all day, yeah, ooh. Even when I'm chill, I'm still cool, ooh. Smoke a J and then I regroup, ooh. I spend a check and don't trip, I recoup. Yeah, get it right back. Every day, getting paid, I can't write back. You'll see my face every day, I can't hide that. Danny Lane, what they say when I ride back. Slim right, real tight, got a nigga craving. All night, that's right, ballin' on a daily. Off white, fit, nice, Balenciaga, baby. Pass fat, real stank, got that nigga craving. Slim right, real tight, got a nigga craving. All night, that's right, ballin' on a daily. Off white, fit, nice, Balenciaga, baby. Pass fat, real stank, got that nigga craving.
Okay, so I see some like harsh. Do you see this line here? You don't want that. So I'm gonna get a blending brush, if I can find it. Okay, so this is actually a really good blending brush that I like to use from Anastasia. Came with one of like the palettes that I bought. And then you just, literally it's like magic, watch. What'd I tell you? I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. See, this is the difference with, what's this called? Setting spray and no setting spray.
There's a life outside I didn't know. Tied up, falling down to an empty soul.
The next thing we're going to do is add our eyelashes. Oh girl, I'm a look snatched. So I have both clear and black. This does need an eyeliner. I'm gonna put an eyeliner first. So for my eyeliner, I like to use the Tartiest by Tarte. It's like double and it has like the eyeliner, which I'm going to add actually to right here on my waterline. Okay. Oh, my eyes are irritated.
And Lord knows that this love has taken toll. I've given all of my love to this broken home. So why don't you lose yourself for me?
So because I put eyeliner on, I'm gonna actually now use my black eyelash glue. I actually like the black one better than the clear one. They're both from the same brand, but the black one holds better. It looks blue when you first put it on. Oh, by the way, this is from Duo. This is what it looks like. So you're gonna grab your eyelashes if you're applying them on. If not, go straight to your mascara, girl, because you basic. So you're gonna grab your eyelashes with tweezers. You're gonna put it on the glue line of the eyelash. I usually start from the middle. So I start applying them from the middle and then I work on the outsides afterwards. I feel like I look like I'm crying.
Why don't you lose yourself for me? What is it that your eyes don't see? Why don't you lose yourself for me?
That's pretty much it. I'm going to finish my face off camera and you'll see the final look all together. Okay, so I just finished doing my full face. For my lip, I used Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Spice Girl. I thought it kind of went really well with the colors. As you can see, like, it is very well blended. You don't see any harsh lines. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah.